Thank you for watching Erica's Little Creation. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today what I have is a liquor bottle that has silver and gold diamond wrap along with the flower wrap as well. I have a silver napkin ring on here as a top. And then I have my hot gun glue. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're a subscriber, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that next time you'll be notified when a new video comes out. I want to thank you for watching Erica's Little Creation, and God bless. Bye.